Good morning, my dear little ones. I hope you all are fine today and you are enjoying the rainy weather. Are you all enjoying the rainy weather? That's good. But along with enjoying the weather, we have to learn, okay? We have to study as well. So, first of all, go and bring your writing skills book. Let's start the class with writing skills. And make sure to bring your pencils and eraser, okay? Go and bring your stationery as well and your writing skills book. Go fast. Initially, parents, here is the pattern given how to write in sand, wheat flour or rice using index and middle finger. Using these two fingers, the child has to write. Middle and index finger, you have to form the letters on wheat flour, rice or sand. Okay, whenever I introduce a letter, I recommend the parents that the first child should form it on sand, wheat flour or rice. So once they are aware about the formation, once they know how to form the particular letter, they will happily form in their booklets and notebooks. Okay, so today we are going to do a new letter. We are going to write a new letter. Which letter is this? B, ball. B, bat. Do you all remember this letter? B. First of all, I request the parents to please circle the day for today. Then please put date, month and year. Then please circle the weather for today. Okay. First of all, we will recall these objects related to letter B. So what is this? Beaver, bat. Beaver, bat. Beaver, bear. Beaver, bear. Beaver, ball. You all play with bat and ball, na? So this is beaver, ball. Beaver, ball. Beaver, butterfly. Beaver, butterfly. Beautiful butterfly. Beaver, banana. Beaver, banana. Beaver, bell. Beaver, bell. So this is letter B. This is capital B and this is small b. Right now we are going to write letters B. Okay. First of all, you have to trace the letter. You have to initially trace. Tracing means you have to join these dots so as to form letter B. This is a bit slanting line for letter B, then a curve, then a curve. You all remember sleeping line, standing line and curves. So this is letter B. This is letter B. Parents, please make sure for one day you will only complete tracing letters. Okay. First day सिर्फ tracing letters complete करवाने हैं, not more than that. Okay. Only the child will cover these tracing of the letters of letter B, not more than that. Writing on the single dot, will do it another day. Tell them to form a line first, then a curve. So this is letter B. This is letter B. Beaver, bat. Beaver, bat. Beaver, bear. Beaver, ball. Beaver, butterfly. Beaver, banana. Beaver, bill. I request you parents again and again, whenever a thing comes in your hand or you see at your place, suppose bananas are there, in your kitchen. So that very moment, ask your child, what is this? Beaver? So your child will answer banana. When we use our vocabulary in routine life, so they will learn better. So that's why I keep on requesting again and again, show them real objects if possible. Okay. So this is Betty the bear. Who is this? This is Betty the bear. Betty the bear. And what's there on the head of bear? It's a bow. What's there on the head of Betty? It's a bow. What are these? These are balloons, colorful balloons. What are these? These are balloons. And what is this? What is this? This is a boat. This is a boat. Okay. Betty the bear sits on a chair. She looks very fair with the bow in her hair. What is this? Betty the bear sits on a chair. Where is Betty the bear sitting? Betty bear कहाँ बैठा है? On chair. Okay. She looks very fair. How does she look? She looks very fair with the bow in her hair. What is there on the head of the bear? There is a bow on the head of the bear. So she's sitting on the chair and she is fair. Moreover, there is a bow in her hair. Beaver, bear, beaver, bear. Betty the bear sits on a chair. She looks very fair with the bow in her hair. This is a bow. Beaver, bow. Beaver, bow. Okay. Have the children pretend to hit a ball with a bat. Even earlier we did this kinesthetic activity along with letter B. That was hit the ball with the bat and say bat. Bat. Now you can ask the children, what is the color of banana? Do you like bananas or apples? आपको पूछना है अपने बेबी से क्वेश्चंस पुट आउट करने हैं रिलेटेड टू दिस शीट that what is the color of banana, what is the name of toy which looks like brown colored bear, that could be teddy bear, polar bear. Okay, let the children take turns in hitting a ball and a bat. So you have to do up to these 3 points only. Rest of that we'll do tomorrow, but please make sure your child will do tracing of this letter B. आपको ये पेज कंप्लीट नहीं करना है, सिर्फ ये ट्रेसिंग लेटर्स कंप्लीट करने हैं. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट लेटर B writing. Writing of letter B. Moving on to next. Now it's rhyme time. Today we are going to do Fluff the Kitten for the last time. From tomorrow onwards, we will start our new rhyme. So be prepared and learn this rhyme, Fluff the Kitten. This is all about a naughty kitten. Okay? And what is kitten? Kitten क्या होता है? Baby of cat. What is kitten? Baby of cat. Okay? So let us listen to the rhyme. I really like this rhyme. Fluff the kitten is a naughty kitten to be sure. So let's listen to the rhyme.
Fluff the kitten is a naughty kitten to be sure. Always getting into trouble with the darkness road. Creeping up to your
this is a rhyme. Fluff the kitten. Fluff the kitten. You all have to learn this rhyme. Okay. Moving on to next. Now we are going to do maths. So all of you go and bring your child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit 1 of 2. Okay. Go fast and bring your books. I am waiting for you. I'm waiting for my little ones. Go fast and bring your maths book. Should I open my book? Should I? Okay. You all are ready with your maths book? All are ready? Okay. Let me turn the page. So let's see what we are going to do today. Golu and Molly went to the farm. Golu and Molly कहाँ गए थे? Farm. First day they met the cow. First day वो किसको मिले थे? Cow को मिले थे. What was the name of cow? Cammy the cow. Next day they went to farm and they met the dog. What was the name of the dog? Okay, they met the dog over there and the name of the dog was Dobby. What was the name of the dog? It was Dobby. Today we are going to do number 3. First of all, I request the parents to please circle the day for today. Then put date, month and year. And please circle the weather for today as it's rainy. So you have to circle this rainy icon. Okay. So as usual, first of all, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3. So what we do in these 3 circles? Either you can color it or you can put your thumbprint or you can stick bindi. Okay. Otherwise, आप मम्मा की बिंदी यहाँ stick कर सकते हैं. So how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3. And which number is this? 3. These 2 curves form number 3. These 2 curves form number 3. 1, 2, 3. How many goats are there? There are 3 goats. On day 3, Golu and Molly give soft green grass to farm goat Guinea. Okay. Now they have met the goat. And what is the name of goat? It's Guinea. First day, Cammy the cow. Second day, Dobby the dog. Now third day, they met Guinea the goat. Okay. Discuss animal facts with the children. So let us discuss about goats. Goats communicate with each other by bleating. Okay. Like lions roar, dogs bark. So goats कैसे communicate करती हैं? वो कैसे बात करती हैं? Bleating. Okay. There are 2 types of goats. There are 2 types of goats: domestic goats and mountain goats. They eat grass, moss, and plants. There are 2 types of goats. Okay. Some are there on the mountains and some are domestic goats जो आप घर पे रखते हैं. कुछ लोग घर पे रखते हैं. They eat grass, moss and plants. What does the grass eat? What does the goat eat? The goat eats grass, moss and green plants. Okay. Baby of a goat is called kid. Baby of a goat is called kid. First day we learned baby of the cow is called calf. Then we learned baby of dog is called puppy. And today we got to know baby of goat is called kid. Ask the children to make a goat head with paper plates as shown. You have to take one paper plate and you have to make a goat. This is just cut out of a single plate, and this way you can make a goat, and then with the black sketch pen you can draw the eyes in the mouth of the goat. Okay. So this is number 3. This is number 3. How many goats are there? 1, 2, 3. This is number 3. Which numeral is this? Which numeral is this? This is number 3. This is number 3. On day 3, Golu and Molly give soft green grass to farm goat Guinea. Okay, what is the name of the goat? It's Guinea. Okay, you have to either color these 3 circles, or you can put a thumbprint, or you can paste your mama's bindi over here. Okay, choice is yours, but complete this activity and do make the goat with the help of a paper plate. Rest of the page we will cover tomorrow. This is all for the day. You have to recognize number 3. You have to do this activity of making goat with paper plate. You have to learn the rhyme Fluff the Kitten, and you have to write letter B in your books. Okay, this is all for the day. Enjoy the weather. We will meet tomorrow. Bye and take care. Okay.